Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Edge 6 Diffusion to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to, and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some beauty pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your Android's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then to connect, hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!